The way that we work is we very highly value people's output, what you actually accomplish. My name is Benjo Nelson. I am a VP of Customer Support. I work for Trilogy, and I'm from Charlottesville, Virginia. The thing I like about being a VP in this company is that when you get an idea, you have to provide enough evidence that it's a good idea and show, actual use cases and real examples of where there's a problem and say, hey, if we do this differently, this won't be a problem anymore. You get it approved, and then it's rolled out 24 hours later, the whole team is running with your idea, and you can immediately see the benefits. The team I actually run, we develop knowledge-based content and training content for the support organization. We hire people who are very smart, fast learners, and have experience with enterprise software, but no one has experience with all of our products because they just cover a very wide range of technologies. So then when I start working on tickets, I can already be effective by drawing on this knowledge base and this content that was created. We do really stay connected to the work. 25% to half of our week is spent doing real work that our team, the team that we are overseeing, would be doing. It gives us deeper insights and keeps us close to the work. When we make decisions and we make changes, we know how that's going to affect the team and the work because we have to actually then go execute and work within those decisions that we made. I can put in as much effort and as much brain power, I can use my entire brain every day, and I'm not hitting any type of skill ceiling or any type of limit because all the ideas I come up with, they all get rolled out and they all get executed, and I'm never sitting there wondering what I should work on next. I can just run as fast as I can, mentally speaking. And it's great. It's great to be, to not have any restrictions, basically. I'm Ben Nelson, and I get to solve real problems and see the impact of my actions every day, thanks to Crossover.